The Blue Hawaii. There is a bit of a stigma surrounding blue drinks. As previously mentioned, it could be our survival instincts triggered by a serial killer trying to poison us, or the water from a local swimming pool being used in a cocktail. Or like those sports drinks, nobody who actually plays a sport drinks, which rots people's teeth or makes them gain a waistline the size of the equator. But one thing for sure, sometimes we need to take a gamble in our life and try new things. The ingredient lineup: white rum, vodka, blue Curaçao, pineapple juice, lemon juice, lime juice and simple syrup, and absolutely no sour mix is allowed here. Let's kick this one off by adding 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of rum to our shaker. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of vodka. Follow up with 1/2 ounce of 15 ml blue Curaçao. Add around 1/3 ounce, that's 10 ml of simple syrup. 1/3 ounce of 10 ml of fresh lime juice. Add 1/3 ounce, that's 10 ml fresh lemon juice. Now we're going to be adding 3 ounces, that's 90 ml pineapple juice. I think this is a tad excessive. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail was created in 1957 by Harry Yee at the Honolulu Kaiser Hawaiian Hotel, when a representative of the Dutch distillers Bols asked Yee to design a drink for a bottle of Bols Blue Curaçao, and the rest is history. Double strain into a Poco Grande glass, which is half full of ice. Going to top this off with some pebble ice. Garnish with a pineapple chunk and an umbrella. The taste test. This is way too fruit forward for my tastes. It's basically a blue pineapple juice. And the pineapple juice needs right cutting down, no more than 1.5 ounces I'd say. The booze is completely tasteless. The texture is flat. I reckon it'd work if it was blended. I'd completely get rid of the vodka. This needs a funky dark rum. It does have some redeeming qualities though. It's easy to drink. If someone likes sweet, fruity cocktails, this is definitely for them. I would be interested in remaking this using my own specs. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10.